Urvashi Mittal on Madhvi's Luxury Code Dot. And today we have luxury meeting Urvashi Mittal, the associate with Inner Wheel Association. So, Urvashi, today we all would like to know your journey and your story.
That's a great, Madhvi, to have invited me. Thank you. Looking forward to hearing my own journey. So, do I start?
Yeah, please do.
आपके शो पे कुछ गाना वाना लाउड है?
बिल्कुल, definitely.
So then I will like to start with the song. नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा. And now my next line is, मेरे कर्म ही पहचान है, जिंदगी का दौर तो यूं ही चलता चला जाएगा.
Beautiful, awesome.
माधवी, आपने सुना होगा, man proposes, God disposes.
Right.
ये जो फ्रेज है, my life stream perfectly fits on it. अगर किसी को एक्सप्लेन करना हो, तो उर्वशी मित्तल की जिंदगी उठा लो.
Okay.
जिंदगी बहती चली जा रही थी, और हम मस्त थे अपनी जिंदगी में. Despite having gone to BITS Pilani and then CFA silver medalist, हमने, you know, I studied, I did 2 degrees post graduation, but my father always said, just because you are highly educated, ये मत सोचना आपको कोई जॉब करना ही है.
Okay.
You must be a responsible, aware citizen of your country.
Very nice.
जिसको नौकरी नहीं मिलती, तो do not think only by doing a job you will be justifying your life. You must be a responsible, aware citizen. तो हमें तो लगता था हमें knowledge है, हम aware citizen हैं. My father always said, your education should reflect in your children. Do not going out and doing job. My father always used to say, शादी करा लो, फिर अपने husband से पूछना if he wants your help in his business. शादी हो गई, हमारे हस्बैंड ने कहा हमें आपकी मदद नहीं चाहिए. I make perfect deal with my brother. तुम्हें जो करना है करो. So you know, like I'm from BITS Pilani, so once I was talking to my batchmate, so she said ये करेंगे, अभी जॉब करेंगे, फिर प्रमोशन होगा, फिर ये होगा, उसके बाद और सीनियर बनेंगे, फिर होंगे, फिर रिटायर हो जाएंगे. Then we will lead a peaceful life. तब मस्ती करेंगे. Then she looked at me and said, तू तो अभी मस्ती कर रही है यार. So ultimately, what we dream about, you are doing right now.
Already, yeah.
Basically, हम तो सोच रहे थे कि मस्ती कर रहे हैं, and I'm doing whatever role God ever gave me. आगरा से दिल्ली आ गए, इंटरव्यू ज्वाइन कर लिया. यहाँ पर I want to say something. You know, the mindset of people. Madhvi, I want to congratulate you on this, because having come to Delhi, I met you first in Flow.
Right, that's right.
And I'm like, you know, where you are, you try to build up. You try to build up other women. वो होता ना, every woman should have each other's backs. So this is what, if you reach somewhere, you try to put others also. You try to inspire them, try to get inspiration from them, build them up. But you know what? Still there is a mindset with ladies. जो भी काम ladies करती हैं, somehow वो ना उसको छोटा समझती हैं. And I'm telling you, I am saying it because at one point of time, it happened with me. Back in Agra, I was a Rotarian. I was a Rotarian first. My husband followed suit, because when he went to Rotary meetings with me, then he said, down, Rotary any. He said no. So like, you know, he also became an independent Rotarian, but I was a Rotarian first. So there you get to move with working men, all big business houses, doctors, lawyers, established men. So somehow you have this feeling in your brain, हम तो ऊंची चीज बन गए हैं. ये like, you know, you are a lady by yourself, but somehow this bug goes to your brain straight away. हम तो ना ऊंची चीज बन गए. So I had that in me. When I came to Delhi, so Meera Goyal ji is called chairperson. She is like my elder sister. She wanted me to join Innovi, and you will not believe, I resisted it for a year. I said, अभी मेरा demotion हो जाएगा, Innovi नहीं join करेंगे. I want to join Rotary only. If at all, otherwise I'm busy now with my family, with my children. So no, then she said, if you want to make a salary to know people around you are new here, join Innovi. So with great resistance, I joined Innovi, thinking मेरा demotion हो रहा है. I used to other ladies. तो ये पाप करने के हम भी एक समय अपराधी हैं. So I want to share it more. तो बस
Sure.
दिल्ली में I'm just giving back to society, trying my best, and attached to a number of platforms. But I found my calling in Innovi. You may be attached, like you yourself attached with a number of things, but there's one particular thing which appeals to your heart more. For me, it's Innovi. Divya Chayakar, Raj Kala Kendra, Zainabad, but Innovi has become my passion now.
Very nice, beautiful. So you found your passion in Innovi basically, and you're doing great work.
I found my passion in Innovi, yes.
And I think. Sure.
Hanji, I just want to say something here. पता है क्या होता है? How much ever qualified you may be, but if you are not doing anything, if you are a homemaker, if you have this tag on you, I don't know why you feel a little guilty. And to a certain extent, this is true. आपने सुना है ना, जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? तो बेसिकली जो होम मेकर के जो भी ट्रेड्स होते हैं, वो घर की चार दीवारी में होती हैं. She may be the best cook on earth. She may be the best interior decorator. She may be one of the best dress designer. पर वो घर की चार दीवारी में होते हैं. तो बाहर के लोग, people see what glitters. People believe what is shown to them. तो जो होम मेकर होती है वो घर के अंदर चमकती है. ये चमक बाहर नहीं जा पाती. So people don't know what to do. For them, you are just a homemaker. Just because we are not paid doesn't mean homemaker doesn't do anything. Innovi or any other charitable platform gives that platform to a lady, empowers her, that she comes out and shows her those traits to society. It gives you ample opportunities to actually show to society what you are. पता माधवी, once I came to Delhi, someone called me. They said, "मैम आपको ना जज बनाना है." I said, "Okay." They said, "आप अपना प्रोफाइल भेज दीजिए." And I just wondered. I said, "प्रोफाइल में क्या लिखेंगे?" My qualification, A1. My husband, A1. My daughter, A1. But what about me? I mean, broadly, I'm a homemaker. So what am I doing? And I felt so bad. I said, no, I'm busy that day. Because simply I thought my biodata is zero. I have not done anything in practical life. Innerwear has given you that platform. It's like, whatever you know, you can do it out practical. So I'm really happy now. And I want to tell everyone out there, if you want to show your real qualities to the world, you are already a gem. Right, Madhuri? Every woman is a gem. That's why she's called better half. But if you want to show your inner qualities to the world beyond your house, go and join anything. Go and join anything. Whatever appeals to you. But do it.
Right, absolutely. True, very true. Because it brings out our best potential, whether it is Innerweal or whether it is Fiki or whether it is any organization. It's a lot of learning that happens, I believe. And it's been a very, very lovely, interesting story, and your journey. The way you have explained is very beautiful in a very different way, very exciting. And also, I think values play a very important role. Your parents and your father, they gave you very good values, and they first foremost thing is to be a good human being, and then think of anything else. And I think your husband has been very supportive of whatever that you are doing today. He lets you be. He lets you do social work, and he's happy.
As long as you don't interfere with his work, he's fine.
Right. If you can be a little this side, because the camera thoda sa half cut ho raha hai, thoda idhar aa jao. Right. This is better.
It's okay.
Yeah, this is better. Yeah. So, did you ever wanted to be a finance person, or because since you were from BITS Pilani and good into management, did you ever wanted to be a professional by any chance? Did you have the desire?
I told you, the way you are brought up, what you keep hearing and you grow up, that plays a major role. Because I grew up and I always heard it from my father. Do not encroach upon someone else's territory. There are many men out there who run the responsibility of running their entire household on their shoulder. They are jobless. So just because you are educated, do not think तुम्हें काम करना ही है. So practically I never saw any dream कि हमें काम, I mean in the sense I always wanted to help out. I wanted to help out my husband. I never saw the dream of doing something independently. My husband said मुझे तुम्हारी help नहीं चाहिए. He said मुझे तुम्हारी help नहीं चाहिए, तुम मस्ती करो. So like I was really, and the thing is again Madhvi, I see a silver lining in
motivational tips you're giving to everybody, all the listeners here, I'm sure they'll be motivated because it's something to learn.
All I want to say is again, you know, Madhvi, there's a very fine balance. पता है क्या? I tell everyone, Chandragupta Maurya was destined to become a king, Chakravarti Samrat. But then also he put in his efforts. घर पे बैठ के बिना करके कोई सम्राट नहीं बनता. It's not that he knew his destiny already, तो हमें कुछ करना नहीं. So this is a fine balance. You have to keep working hard, and I believe keeping your mental sanctity intact it should be the on priority list. चाहे वो कोविड का टाइम है चाहे नहीं है, because you know few ladies they just fight out. हमें कुछ ना कुछ करना है. और एक चीज की हमें थोड़ी सी और शिकायत है. आजकल पता नहीं क्यों सबके दिमागों में ये हो गया है, if we don't earn money तो हमारी जिंदगी बेकार हो गई. You know what? आपको पता है कि जिंदगी में ना बैलेंस चलता है. There are people who are working, who have put up their factories, who are giving you employment. If you compare with countries outside, तो इंडिया को तो कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते ना. यहाँ पे हमारा मैन पावर सरप्लस में है. तो if you have everything with you and if you are really looking around क्या करना है, तो आप then go and join any platform of charity. Of course, if there is any financial need, if you think or if you are that good at it, like you know, if you are that good, as I told you, हमने कभी practice ही नहीं किया, तो it became like Greek and Latin. आप डेबिट क्रेडिट पूछो, हम आपको बोलेंगे क्या होता है. Because you know it's all a matter of practice. So either you are
and though being a finance person, finance background, you've been a finance background and a finance person.
Exactly. You know what? When I did CFA, I completed it in 90. उस समय पूरे हिंदुस्तान में सिर्फ 250 CFA थे. Only 250 CFA.
And you've been a gold medalist as well. You are a BITS Pilani gold medalist as well. You got a gold medal also.
I'm not gold medalist.
Silver medal. Yeah.
Silver medalist in CFA.
CFA.
Silver medalist in CFA.
Okay. Right. Yeah, I did read about that.
Yeah. And in fact, out of six semesters, 4 times, I was merit list holder in CFA. But after that, you know, Madhvi, again, practice makes a man perfect. अगर आप कुछ नहीं करोगे तो आप सब भूल जाओगे. अच्छा, माधवी, कभी ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ है या किसी हमारे व्यूअर के साथ कि बड़ी कन्विक्शन के साथ आप एक डायरेक्शन में चलते हो, आप चलते रहते हो, and suddenly something happens and you change the direction not by a degree or 2, but by 180 degrees. और तब आपको वो सही लगने लगता है. You know, like when I grew up, I thought I was hardcore science oriented, engineer brain. I was a topper also. So whether physics, chemistry, maths, like you know, I was a topper also. And believing that, I did Pilani, and then I did my management also. पर उसके बाद हमें लगने लगा science is not my cup of tea. I am more emotions driven, like you know, poetry or something creative, or that appeals to me more.
Yeah, so I think you kind of, you know, explore and discover over the period of time that what is your passion, what you're inclined towards. Education हम लोग उस time education sake के लिए करते हैं, but later on we realize this is what we are made for.
Because exactly जब जिंदगी का पूरा playground मिला खेलने के लिए, तो फिर पता चला कि ये वाली side ज़्यादा strong है.
Right. And how and when did you realize that you know you have an inclination for inner wheel and you've been doing so well, amazingly well, and contributing big time, plus आपको उसमें award भी मिला हुआ है. So how did you get so much dedicated to inner wheel and when?
Again Madhvi, you know, 2-3 चीजें होती हैं. पहली बात, you must have time for it. So I realized at a certain point when my daughters grew up, they went abroad for further studies. I had khali time with me. Secondly, inner wheel, like you know, this charity, this Rotary inner wheel runs in our blood. My grandfather, he was one of the founder members of Rotary in Ghaziabad. Then my father, brother, they've been Rotarians. My mother was a member of inner wheel. So anyway, it ran in blood. So and you know, like I met you at Flow join किया. Brajkala Kendra does all that it can to preserve and promote Braj art and culture. कहते हैं ना कृष्ण जी, like you know, आपको अपने roots को intact रखना चाहिए. If any country wants to progress, you cannot forget the culture and go ahead. So Brajkala Kendra does that. Divya Chhaya Trust. It was founded in Calcutta. All Modis, Thapas, Ansals, Goyals, Lohias, all big people in a small organization. They do their own charity. Very impressive. I mean, if at all you get time, I'll invite you. But somehow it was like calling in a big way. तो वो inner wheel से और that's what I said. Man proposes, God disposes. One fine day, हम तो ज्योतिषी बनने की राह पे चल पड़े थे. Someone saw my hand and they said, तुम्हारी intuitive power बहुत अच्छी है. देखना एक दिन तुम लोगों की कुंडली पढ़ के बताओगी. So then I remember this चंद्रगुप्त की story. I said, boss, कुंडली पढ़नी है तो अपने तो efforts डालने पड़ेंगे. It's not that one day suddenly come, put something in my brain and I will start reading. So, like, 1 year I did pranic healing, Reiki, Lama Fera, numerology, astrology, not many things. Slowly, gradually, one step to another. Because it's not 2 plus 2 4. It's not that easy. You have to have your connection with that divine power. जब आप पढ़ते हो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में, you cannot read it like 2 plus 2 की तरह 4 नहीं कर सकते. You may be very good in understanding those signs, पर 9 planets होते हैं और उन्हीं से आप पूरी जिंदगी को इंटरप्रेट करते हो, है ना, उनकी कॉम्बिनेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन से. तो बेसिकली you have to have that oneness with him. आपका एक कनेक्शन होना चाहिए डिवाइन से. तो हम तो उस राह पे निकल पड़े थे. हम सोच रहे थे हमें तो लोगों की कुंडली पढ़नी है, तो अब हमें उसका मास्टर होना है. And then suddenly this door opened up. I was posed here, and just before I was posed here, I met another person, like whom I just happened to meet, and then he said, अब ना आपने पूजा बहुत कर लिया. I used to do a lot of puja. So अब ना आपने पूजा बहुत कर ली. अब आप सोशल फील्ड में आओ, लोगों की हेल्प करो. And I would just say, लोगों की हेल्प तो हम करते ही हैं. All of us do charity. See, we tell about it because we want to motivate people. But अपने individual capacity में भी तो हम करते ही हैं. So I'm just wondering, what did he say? लेकिन जो उसने कहा, वो दरवाजा खुल गया 15 दिन बाद ही. हमें जबरदस्ती हमारे घर के प्रेसिडेंट बना दिया गया. फिर तो दरवाजा खुल गया.
So you personally do believe in astrology? You believe in astrology?
You know what? See, again, astrology, I do believe in astrology, but again, the person whom you go to, you must have that faith and you must check him out on, somehow I believe, again, your intuition works. ये नहीं कि मंदिरों में पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के किसी भी नीम हकीम खतराए जान अपनी कुंडली अपना हाथ दिखाने बैठ के बता दो जी पढ़ा दो जी. Because I believe एक तो intuition होता है, and secondly, they always ask you certain questions when you approach them. These questions relate to your previous life. If they are able to read you correctly, then you can trust them, and obviously इतने साल हो जाते हैं तो आपके एक तो गुरुजी बन जाते हैं. I have my spiritual lady in Delhi. I call Manju Bajaj ji and Simi Bhabi. I do have faith on them. तो कई बार होता है जब आपका मन करता है बस कि आप कहीं चले जाओ, फोन करो और वो आपको they counsel you, they tell you all will be well, all will be well. So you have such people in your life. Yes.
Absolutely. And I think you also got the outstanding president of Inner Wheel, and it must be a lot of hard work that you are putting into the Inner Wheel to get that award also. It's not that everybody will get that award. So whatever you've done to perfection. And also you've got some other awards in New York, and I believe there was another Hollywood also. So if you can brief a bit about these awards, you got it for women empowerment or for Inner Wheel. What exactly were these awards for?
Yeah, in fact, I'll tell you, Madhvi, basically the structure that I'm talking to you about, Inner Wheel. All okay?
Yeah, I think there was a little bit camera thing. Let me just settle it a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Yeah, now it's fine. Perfect. Great. Yeah.
Okay. Madhvi, the thing is, हमारा जो Inner Wheel का structure होता है ना, this is an international organization. And why do I talk about Inner Wheel mostly? अच्छा, अभी I'll tell you something before I actually talk about Inner Wheel. Recently, I'm associated with COVID India also. You know the COVID pandemic, the way it burst out. So my daughter is associated with it. She's handling this platform, and it's a bunch of over energetic enthusiasts who who forgot about their high, very lucrative jobs for the time being, and who are helping government, who are giving solutions to government to help countries.
Wonderful.
They have come up with this digital platform, covidindia.org, and they are trying to give all the best solutions. So I'm trying to help out them also wherever we can, and basically social media, which has become our.
And she's doing it from US, right? She's doing it from US because she's
hospitals. She came back. She was listed in Forbes 30 under 30. She went to Bangalore. She's come back. Recently, she was covered by Hindustan Times for her work for COVID.
Very nice.
So so what I'm saying is inner wheel, but I talk about inner wheel so much because it's become my passion. I give my major time to inner wheel because you know what, Madhvi, it's properly structured, and whenever I see this organization, my heart goes out to my predecessors. My salute to them because they worked so much. You know, it has its constitution, it has bylaws, it has so much more for any incomer, for any person wanting to join. It is like Ulja Sing Sing.
Very nice. Okay.
तो ये जो inner wheel होती है, it runs primarily on its club presidents. इसमें clubs होते हैं. It works at 4 levels. Club,
Right.
district, nation और international. तो जो club होता है, that is basically working unit. उसके ऊपर की units administrative होती हैं. So when I became president, you won't believe, जैसे बच्चे को चलना सीखता है ना, पहले बच्चा crawl करता है. उस तरीके से हमने सीखा. But again, my mantra of life is, it's never between you and me. It's always between me and him. Kanha, he was there at each and every single step holding my hand. I'm so very thankful to my all friends, wheel members, seniors. अच्छा, हमारे यहाँ एक एडवांटेज और है. हमारे इंडिया ने 6 इंटरनेशनल नेवी प्रेसिडेंट्स दिए हैं. उनमें से 4 हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. So when I worked, I had all their support. और प्रेसिडेंट को ना बहुत टाइम मिलता है माधवी एक्चुअली काम करने का. और आपको पता है क्या, जब हम लोग बड़े हो रहे थे, हम लोग सुनते थे आप लोग जो चैरिटी सीधे हाथ से करो वो उल्टे हाथ को भी ना पता चले. सीक्रेट, रिमेम्बर, हम लोग कहते थे किसी को दो तो बताओ मत, किसी को मदद करो तो बताओ मत. बट यू नो व्हाट, व्हेन यू सी एंड रीड एंड हियर so much news in media, when you hear so much news in media, नहीं हो रहा, ये सांपों का देश है, यहाँ पे इतने रेप होते हैं, यहाँ पे इतने भूखे नंगे हैं, यहाँ पे इतने लोगों को जरूरत है, लोगों के पास खाना नहीं है, uneducated है, then you feel like coming out in print. Even otherwise, if you are telling, if you are going कि हमने इस साल इंडिया में इतना काम हुआ, लोग वो काम कैसे बताएंगे if you do not put it in black and white? अगर आप काम को इकट्ठा करके उसको जोड़ोगे नहीं, अगर आप बताओगे नहीं तो कैसे पता चलेगा? So you have to come out in print. So basically inner wheel में हम कहते हैं आप जो भी करो फेसबुक पे डालो, जो भी करो सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू लोगों को बताओ. सपोजिंग आपका बर्थडे है,
it is not like नेकी करो दरिया में डाल, नेकी करो और दिखा दो उसको.
अरे आबादी पता है क्या, पहले लोग कहते थे कि आप शो ऑफ कर रहे हो, आप दिखा रहे हो. आजकल क्या होता है, आजकल होता है हम कहते हैं यू मोटिवेट पीपल. आजकल एक जनरेशन है या कोई एस्टैब्लिश शादीशुदा कपल है, उनकी फर्स्ट एनिवर्सरी है, उनका मन करता है किसी की हेल्प करें, पर लगता है ठीक है यार, इस वाले कपल ने इतनी ज्यादा इतने बड़े होटल में पार्टी दी थी, हमें भी उससे बड़े होटल में पार्टी देनी है. सो देन यू वांट टू शो दैम, देखो ये कपल है, इसने ऐसे जाके लोगों की मदद करी है. सो बेसिकली यू हैव टू टेल देम कि अपने बर्थडेज, एनिवर्सरीज या इम्पोर्टेंट डेज मनाने के और भी तरीके हैं. यू कैन गो आउट एंड हेल्प सोसाइटी. कई बार क्या होता है, लोग फोन करते हैं, उन्हें किसी बच्चे को अडॉप्ट करना होता है, उन्हें कहीं पढ़ने लिखने की किताबें देनी होती हैं, पर अकेले कहाँ जाए. तो लगता है कि अच्छा हम कहाँ करें, तो हम कहते हैं आप अपने आस पास के किसी भी नदी क्लब में दे दो. तो व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग एज क्लब प्रेसिडेंट, व्हाटएवर आई डिड आई पुट ऑन फेसबुक, व्हाटएवर आई डिड आई पुट ऑन फेसबुक. So you won't believe this, the award that you are talking about from Hollywood, Money Iron. Basically, I believe the thing reached to her through the social media only. It's so
New York and Hollywood.
But she every year she comes to India and she does this program, and she calls people from all walks of life and she honors them. So I mean, I got a call and I was really happy. And then
that's an honor.
Another Woman of the Year. Just by my Facebook post, you won't believe this person. I believe he's your friend also. Robert sir. He contacted me and he asked me about Innovil and all the work that I did. He asked me and then he was following, and then he gave the award. So basically,
so social media plays a very big role these days. You know, social media plays a big role. own work, in your
Exactly.
own, life. So,
Just yesterday we were watching a movie on Netflix.
uh-huh.
Netflix, Hotstar,
Right, yeah.
Amazon. So what these people do, these have you provided with an alternative to mainstream Bollywood. हर कोई
Right.
बंदा बसी तो बॉलीवुड में नहीं चलता, लाइक नेटफ्लिक्स, अमेजॉन, हॉटस्टार, आप इतनी इतनी अच्छी मूवीज बनती हैं. तो बेसिकली आई रियलाइज्ड ऐसे जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं ना माधवी, they provide that opportunity to every homemaker to come out and show the hidden talent. होता है ना, हम में टैलेंट है बट नो वन टॉक्स अबाउट इट. हम इतना अच्छा सीखते हैं, हम इतना अच्छा बनाते हैं, हम इतनी अच्छी पोइट्री लिखते हैं, बट व्हाट टू डू? सो कम आउट, जॉइन एनीथिंग, because social media, Facebook, and then the biggest advantage with InnerWheel is you're automatically connected, instantly connected internationally. You make international friends. Whatever you post here, it spreads like fire.
Yeah, the advantages are tremendous actually. Tremendous advantages of the social media. In fact, today only I was a moderator for Federation of Industry Women Entrepreneurs International Associate, as an international associate. So there was a workshop on digital media, and they said for another 2 years there will be no movies made as per them, and it's all going to be Netflix and on digital thing, everything happening. So definitely, and I think Urvashi, you also introduced a lot of new concepts in the InnerWheel. I would like to know which were the new concepts that you introduced.
Madhuri, you know what? This is the advantage with such platforms, that under the broader structure, they give you your flexibility. You can just fly high. कहते हैं ना, sky is the limit. So basically, as the president also, I had Renu Gupta ji, who was my district chairman, and I could do so much. You won't believe. In fact, you know what? I think तक लोगों को था कि हमें इनर व्हील का ही काम करना है. बट हमारी एक पास्ट इंटरनेशनल नवील प्रेसिडेंट हुई है कपिला जी 3 साल पहले. शी ऑलवेज टॉक्ड अबाउट पार्टनरशिप, collaboration. She always emphasized. She said एक platform of charity can never be in competition with other platform of charity. You must partner, you must collaborate, whether it's Lions or Rotary or any other platform. So when I was president, I did we associated with Can Support. हमने Can Support, हमने Can Walk for Cancer में participate किया, हमने Walk for Environment में. And then you know what? Those days पहली बार आपने ATM सुना है? ATM जहाँ से आप पैसे निकालते हो? ऐसे वाटर ATM आते हैं माधवी. कितनी ऐसी कॉलोनीज होती हैं जहाँ पे लोगों को पानी नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि वहाँ पे देयर अनऑथराइज्ड कॉलोनीज, वहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट सप्लाई नहीं होती. तो आई वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू इंस्टॉल अ वाटर ATM in a colony. तो ऐसी कॉलोनी जहाँ पर पानी की सप्लाई ही नहीं थी. So after much of googling and trying to find out and talking to people, I could do that. उसके बाद हमने ग्रीन वेस्ट रेप्रोसेसर, जैसे आजकल भी कहते हैं भाई ऑर्गेनिक खाद बना लो, अपने यहाँ का जो किचन वेस्ट होता है उसकी खाद बना लो, तो दैट इज कन्वर्टेड. So we installed that also. उसके बाद promotion committee, I dealt with media. फिर उसके बाद एडिटर. So एडिटर में क्या होता है, again I see जो हमारा whatever my predecessors did, they did their best. In fact, InnerWheel or any other organization is voluntary. You can't force people. And trust me, when you are on the post, आप अपने हिसाब से अपना बेस्ट देते हो. जितना विजन भगवान देता है. तो बेसिकली हमारा InnerWheel का एक हर महीने हम लोग एडिटर के पोस्ट के लिए आते हैं इन-हाउस मैगजीन, which is circulated to members so that they know what's happening. I try to involve members. तो सब लोगों के लिए हर महीने I will come up with a cartoon. I'll tell them to give it a slogan or write something, and that will be posted on Facebook. So not only Delhi के member, internationally people participated.
I see. Interesting.
Last year हमने किया, फिर हमने InnerWheel की, InnerWheel is such a big organization. So I just thought, why not collaborate? If it can be a win-win situation for both. उसमें आपने भी हमारा सहयोग किया. ताज विवांता का डिस्काउंट हमने आपने किया.
My honor.
Using your contact. Basically क्या होता है कि अच्छा माधवी, nothing is done overnight. किसी भी चीज को क्लिक होने में टाइम लगता है. हमारी लास्ट ईयर की डिस्ट्रिक्ट नीचे उन्होंने ये आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स बनवाए इनरव्हील मेंबर के, एंड देन आई वेंट एंड टॉक टू पीपल, जिसमें कि हमारा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एयर भी था, ताज विवांता था, ही इज ये नाथुराम, ये नाथूस था, ही इज लाइक देयर वर अबाउट 25 such discounts. तो ऐसा एक बार जब इनरव्हील के मेंबर जाएंगी, एक बार जब इनरव्हील के मेंबर्स जाएंगी तो स्लोली ग्रेजुअली they will get discount, they will like it, even the shop, even that particular chain will like. So basically it will be, it would have been a win-win situation. So I introduced those discounts, I got those discounts.
Yes,
and
I remember that.
And then you know what, हमारा इनरव्हील का ना सिंबल, oh I forgot to wear my district ISU badge. हमारा ना इनरव्हील का लोगो होता है, you must have seen a cross. हमने उसके earrings बनवाए, brand में organization.
Must say,
then I got like you know I made earring also. फिर हमने सोचा, like you know Kapila, I'm telling you about this past international Navy president Kapila Gupta. She always talks about branding. She says whatever you do it with great passion, do it with as much passion that it should look like a part of you. तो हम लोग इनरव्हील की बातें करते हैं, not because we want to boast, simply because we tell people there's an organization out there. If you want some help, approach. If you want to join, then help, because more the merrier. एक और एक तो come and join us.
Absolutely.
So
very nice.
Basically हमने उसके लिए, अब again brand is not built overnight. ब्रांड बात करने से बनती है, ब्रांड सेलिब्रिटीज डिग्निटरीज को अप्रोच करने से बनती है. तो यू नो लेडीज आर नॉर्मली मोर गिविंग, सैक्रिफाइसिंग, काम करती है और अपने बारे में बोलती नहीं है, सोचती है हमें क्या बोलना है. सो नाउ वी बिकम वोकल, वी आर टेलिंग पीपल अबाउट द वर्क वी डू. तो लास्ट ईयर हमने बहुत सारे मिनिस्टर्स को अप्रोच किया, उन्हें इनरव्हील के बारे में बताया, बेस्ट विशेस मैसेज लिए, आपके थ्रू अप्रोच किया. और इस साल तो आई एम एंजॉयिंग माय पोस्ट. दिस सेज फ्रेंडशिप, and we are doing friendship not only within Innerville but outside Innerville also.
Very nice, beautiful.
For the organization.
Okay.
I would have shown.
I think you got a lot of innovative ideas, and not only just innovative ideas, but also did a lot of noble work. Like as you told about the water thing into the remote places, how you were able to supply and get them water. So it does a lot of good, noble work as well. And I think it's not like you, if you're a member of Innerville, you cannot join other organizations, because you happen to be a member of so many other organizations as well.
Definitely, you go, again, Madhvi, you join as many as you want. But if you want to go higher up in one particular organization, then obviously आपको उसी organization में time ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा. So basically, I'm a member with so many, अब flow में नहीं जा पाते. Brajkala के Divyaj Chaya Trust, like you know, but this Zen, but like you know, everywhere activities limited.
So you prioritize basically, prioritize and balance it out. I said you like kind of prioritize and then balance it out.
Exactly.
Also, I wanted to ask you, your interpersonal skills are very good, because I have seen in your Innerville, ladies really look up to you. Your word is a final word. They really respect you. So how do you manage to get so much of their love, affection, and all that? You know, what's the secret to it?
पता है ना माधवी, एक तो कहते हैं ना, thank you, I'm so grateful to all my Innerville friends. They gave me so much of love and affection. I can only cry right now. And basically, you know what, again, Innerville is one organization where women have each other's backs. If you do something good, they appreciate you, they learn from you, and through Facebook they show their love and affection. And trust me, I mean, all the ladies who've gone higher up, they have no ears at all. They pamper their juniors. I'll tell you a recent example. Now that, you know, this pandemic has happened and Innerville does charity, so while two ladies were still out in the open, making masks, distributing ration, like, you know, doing everything, my immunity is a little low. So while I sent my driver out, frankly, those ladies went out to the field by themselves. So I thought, for my post, I thought, let me make a poem. Let me take people's sentiments. How are they doing this period? उन्हें थोड़ा अंधेरा लग रहा है, डल बैठे हुए हैं, या और they are optimistic कि ये दिन भी जाएगा. You won't believe.
Tremendous response. I believe you got wonderful response. I saw it on Facebook. right now, what they are going
Because
through.
again माधवी एक अकेले से इनर व्हील नहीं बना, ना ही एक अकेला कुछ कर सकता है. It's everyone
Right.
coming together gives it a shape. So all that they have done, because they are here with me, that's why we can achieve, like, we can achieve anything in life. So the thing is, they appreciate me and even I appreciate them. Basically, we call it a mutually admiration society. I said, तुम मेरी तारीफ करो, मैं तुम्हारी तारीफ करती हूँ.
That's good.
Because see,
As long as
again, in inner
everybody...
wheel, Madhvi, we say in inner wheel, we are not here for income. We are
Right.
here for outcome. So basically,
Right.
you know what? At the end of the day, when you are totally tired, it's just a little warm
Yeah.
appreciation that makes your day. तो आप यहाँ पैसे के लिए तो नहीं आए हैं. आप तारीफ करो. If someone is putting hard efforts out there, and again, we do not criticize if someone is not putting in any efforts, because first of all, it is voluntary. Secondly,
Right.
हर एक लड़की जरूरी नहीं है ना काम करे, पर वो अपनी साल की मेंबरशिप फीस तो देती है ना. She is anyway supporting by whatever little amount she is giving. So that's why Inner Wheel is a proper organization, international organization with its own constitution, bylaws, guidelines, everything.
I know, and you guys are doing unconditionally, you're giving it and selflessly to the organization. You're doing unconditional and selfless work to the organization, which is so beautiful. And I would like to ask you a question, another question, Urvashi. How do you balance it out so beautifully? Your daughters are doing exceptionally good in their, fields, and they are studying at the best of the universities in the world. And you're managing your home so well. Generally, बोलते हैं कि if you're working or if you're into something else, you ignore your home, you ignore your family. So, what is the secret of balancing it out so beautifully?
Secret is people's warm appreciation. I'm telling you, whatever I do, I get so much of appreciation that I don't feel tired. And again, Madhvi, you know what I believe?
Right.
The current lifestyle. I have very, very cooperative mother-in-law. My husband never interferes with my work. And then this current lifestyle. Now the kids, when they are grown up, they've gone to the best of universities. Even they understand the importance of a working mother. So because they never saw me working while they were young. So it's like to come back to them as a little jolt. Mama, you are never around now. But they understand. So it's basically because the kids, they see, and because they want to work, they are working by themselves. So they understand the importance of working. My mother-in-law, she's very supportive. So touch wood, I have good staff.
Right. And you have amazing, I must say you have amazing energy levels, so there's something exceptional about you, about the energy levels that you have. Where do you get all that energy from besides appreciation?
My energy. You know what? I consider myself blessed. I just say that. I get up every morning as if with a message of him in my brain. It will be okay. See, it's going to be fine.
Beautiful.
And I just have my energy.
Yeah. Any message you would like to give? Yeah.
Any message? Yeah. Thank you, Madhvi, for giving me this chance. My message is, we have heard it often. God helps those who help themselves. So in these most serious times, help yourself. Whether it is by chilling out or by trying to find out something, by learning something, some alternate, like healing or anything, or drawing, painting, healing, computer, whatever. But keep your mental sanctity intact. ये समय आपका आपसे हवन में आहुति डालने का है, and this could be your biggest contribution. Secondly, Madhvi, you know what? Often I realize the quote that we often hear, an empty mind is a devil's workshop. It has become like an empty mind is an angel's creative factory. Because in these times, you see such new things being done. This is the starting of entirely new world. And again, you have to be competitive. You cannot just sit idle and grumble. You have to show the best. You have to give the best. If this best demands you sitting at home, that's it. Mental sanctity has to be that. So enjoy this time. And do the best.
Any questions? The audience would like to ask any questions. Please feel free to ask any question. And last thing I would like to ask you, Urvashi, what is the definition of luxury according to you? Since the program is about Madhvi's luxury code dot, and we are here on a talk show, Luxury meets Urvashi Mittal, associate Inner Wheel. So what's the definition of luxury according to you?
I So what I'm saying, Madhvi, I love you for this. While you work for luxury, you are down to earth. And you know
Thank you so much,
how to
Urvashi. Likewise.
actually get the correct meaning of luxury. Because again, I tell you, there are hairline
And thanks to
what
friends
is
like you. You know, you've been so supportive always and encouraged me like a friend, always been there with me, you know. So I really appreciate that
Madhvi,
sincerely.
you truly portray all women should have each other's back.